Good morning, and here we are for the VIEZU Dyno Day. It's about to kick off, the whole team is here. Let's get the day rolling.
And the car that we've come up in today is XFRS, Italian Racing Red, and we've just achieved 597 brake horsepower, upper pulley done, and stage 1 remap through VIEZU. All the work that we've had done has been great, coming here has been great, the customer service has been great. Like I said, we wanted to keep the integrity of the car, and it seemed like the safest one, genuine people, and everybody's been really helpful.
It's really busy out there and it's really a good day so far. Just ran on the dyno 607 bhp, which is actually down to what it was last time. What I've had done here in the past is the upper pulley, lower pulley is running 627 before. And that heat soak problem, I know VIEZU have got a solution for that on the F-Type. I'm waiting for it to come for the XFR because I want it.
I've noticed an advert saying, oh, VIEZU for the Jaguar Land Rover owners is now doing this special event. And yeah, I'm curious to see how much it does on the dyno because I have no idea. I just know it's a totally different car from when I bought her when she was stock. And yeah, my first time here at VIEZU.
Been fantastic. Your firm's unbelievable. And I go on and tell everybody that, you know, every opportunity I get, I sing your praises.
My experience with VIEZU has been absolutely outstanding. So from start to finish, the customer service, the service team themselves has been absolutely spot on, and I would recommend it to absolutely anybody.
Wow, what a day. Lots of great power, great fun, great customers. It's been an absolutely fabulous dyno day and we can't wait to see you at the next one.